well, D23. But before I do, it's time to do a hotel room tour of the Westin. It's across the street from the Anaheim Convention Center. Wow. So look at this giant tub here. My lord. This tub is huge. I think might want to go in there. Got the shower. This whole bathroom is huge. It's bigger than most hotels I've ever been to. Got that going on. Some coffee and water. Some glasses. 2 chairs. Oh yeah. So yeah, that is the hotel room. Like this flat screen TV here. All right. I don't know if I'm going to get a view, but let's see. Oh, and there's a balcony out here. Cool. Little balcony. So yeah, and I got this couch. So yeah, liking what I'm seeing. Liking what I am seeing. Go in here. That's a good closet. Let me go in here. Another closet. All right. I guess that does it, but this looks very great. Now that we checked the room out, now it's time to go to the pool just to see what it looks like. Pool looks great. I'm gonna dive in later, but I can't wait. So now it's time to check out the gym.
Jeff Harvey.
That's another thing I want to do, bust my ass in the gym, even though I have a gym already in my apartment, but it's good for me to get a workout in for at least a half hour before I do some other things. But that's right before I go to the pool though, because I'm really dying to go in there. So overall, I liked my stay here. This is very convenient if you're going to any events in the Anaheim Convention Center, especially since I'm covering D23. I love how classy this hotel is, from the room to the guest service to the room service also, and to the pool and how I was treated over there. Very classy, top-notch service. I would fully recommend this hotel. So this is very good. If you like more of my content, be sure to subscribe because I got a few more vlogs coming up. I haven't posted my San Diego Comic-Con vlog yet, but I'm going to post that after this one, along with my vacation in Las Vegas. So peace out for now.